Frustrated that your iPhone shows it's charging but the battery won't go up? You're not alone. Watch this quick fix and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone solutions. First, unplug your iPhone from the charger. Now, do a force restart. For iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once it restarts, plug the charger back in. Make sure you're using an original Apple certified cable and adapter. Third-party accessories can cause charging issues. Now go to Settings, then Battery and tap Battery Health and Charging. If your battery health is below 80% or it says service recommended, then it might be time to replace your battery. Also try cleaning your charging port gently with a soft toothbrush or a dry cotton swab. Dust or lint can block the connection. Still stuck? Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets settings that could be interfering. If nothing works, visit the Apple Store. You might need a battery or charging IC replacement. Like this tip? Hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone fixes made simple.